During pregnancy, the placenta is the baby's lifeline. It supplies oxygen and nutrients from the mother to the baby through the umbilical cord. When the placenta doesn't work properly, the baby may not receive enough oxygen. This condition is called placental insufficiency. Without enough oxygen, the baby's organs cannot grow or function normally. The heart becomes weak, the brain stops developing, and the baby becomes very fragile. Sometimes the umbilical cord also gets compressed, twisted, or blocked. This can suddenly stop the oxygen supply. If this problem is not detected early by ultrasound and medical checkups, it can sadly lead to fetal death inside the womb. This is why regular pregnancy checkups are extremely important, because the placenta is the baby's only source of life.